Let's solve this question number 21. Okay, four rods each of mass m form a square having a length of diagonal b. That means this diagonal length is b. This diagonal length is b. Now we have to find out. Okay, it rotates about the median of the triangle. Okay, find the its moment of inertia is pmb square by 18. So we have to find out p. Okay, so we have these four rods. Now let me redraw this again. These are the four rods and this is the axis of rotation. Now this angle, this is the length, this is the diagonal b. This is the diagonal b. Now what will be this length? This one will be b by root 2 and this one will also be b by root 2. Okay, so b square by 2 plus b square by 2 is equal to b square. So that will be b. Now we have to find out the moment of inertia. Now this angle will be how much? This is 90 degree. So this one will be 45 degree. Now this is length b by root 2. So the component which is perpendicular to this axis will be b by root 2 sine 45. So here this, for this case also, this is 45 degree. So this will also be b by root 2 sine 45. For this also and this also the same case will be there. So this one will be 4 times m b sine 45, b by root 2 sine 45. This is m l square by 3. Now this one will be 4m b square sine 45 square is 1 by 2 and this is 2. So that will be 4 into 3. 4 and 4 gets cancelled. So this one will be mb square by 3. Now if we multiply by 6, we will get 6 mb square by 18. So the p value is 6. So p value will come out to be 6. Okay.